Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find the IBAN number on the Barclays app. First, open the Barclays app and go to your home screen. Select the account you want to view the IBAN or SWIFT or BIC for. Tap on Manage after selecting the account. Scroll down to the Manage Payments section. Tap on Manage Payments. You'll now see your IBAN and SWIFT or BIC codes. You can press continue or just go back when you are done. You can also check your IBAN using your card or via online banking if needed. And that's it. That's how to find your IBAN number on the Barclays app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.